Examples on assignment model. So example is here first, second, third and fourth. Here given that A, B, C, D. Okay, so their values are 1, 3, 5, 2, then 8, 6, 9, 8, then 3, 4. Here 10 and 6. Okay, and D row has values 6, 7, 6, 7 and 4. Okay, so find their optimal solution by using assignment model. Okay, assignment model. So here by using criteria, what is by using optimal solution, Hungarian method algorithm. Firstly, number of rows are not equal, then we add demi column. Here number of columns, number of rows equal to number of columns. Okay, there is no need to add demi row or demi column. Then next step second to find the opportunity cost table. Okay, here step second to find the opportunity cost table. So here select step second is here, select smallest element in each row and subtract it from each element of that row. And again reduced matrix when obtained, then identify smallest element in each column and subtract it from each element of that column. So here select smallest element in each row and subtract it from every or each element of that row. Okay, so therefore reduced matrix is here A, B, C and D. Okay, here first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so reduced matrix is here 1 is smallest element in first row, so subtract it from every element. So 1 minus 0 is 0. Sorry, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 5 minus 1 equal to 4, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Then next second row contains smallest element 6 is smallest element, subtract it from every element. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, 6 minus 6 0, 9 minus 6 3, 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Then third row 3 is the smallest element, so subtract from every element of respective rows. So 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 3 1, 10 minus 3 7, 6 minus 3 is 3. Then lastly 4 is the smallest element. Okay, so 4 is smallest element, therefore we take their values, subtract 4 from every element of fourth row. So 7 minus 4 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 3 and 0 here. Okay, so then in this table select smallest element in each column and subtract it from each element of that column. Okay, in each element of that column. So therefore reduced matrix is here first, second, third and fourth. So here A, B, C, D. Okay, so in first column 0 is smallest element, so subtract it from 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 0 2, 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 0 is 3 as it is. In second column 0 is smallest element, subtract it from every element. So 2 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1 and 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, in third column 3 is the smallest element, so subtract from every element. 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 3 4 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Then last column is 0 is smallest element, so we get 1 2 3 and 0 in this way. Okay, so step second is completed. Then next step is step third. What is step third? Step third is here to make a assignment in the opportunity cost table. So in first round, for assignment of first round, so select a row which contains exactly one zero and make their zeros make zeros around by the square. Okay, in this way square, and then other zeros in the corresponding column make a cross up sign. Okay, make a cross up sign. Okay, in this way. And next is identify columns successively from left to right. Exactly one zero exactly contains one zero element that has not assigned. Okay, not assigned. Assigned means assigned by a square matrix. Okay, so here select a row which contains exactly one zero and make a assigned by making square means this square around it. And next is making a cross up sign. And cross up means this sign, cross sign. All other zeros in the corresponding column, so therefore here exactly one zero contains. So first row contains exactly one zero, so where make a square of this zero and other zero in corresponding column. Okay, other zeros in corresponding column make a cross up sign. So here making a cross up sign. Then next is here smallest element which contains exactly one zero here no any contains exactly one zero, because this third row contains exactly one zero, but which is a cross up sign because first row contains exactly one zero, but second row contains two zero, fourth row also contains two zero. Okay, then for second, this is A and B. Here B is identify columns which contains exactly one zero. Okay, exactly one zero that has been not assigned. Assigned means their zeros does not around by square. Okay, this is a assignment of which contains that has been not assigned. Okay, so make assignment to this single zero and cross up sign and cross up this cross up. Okay, all other zeros in corresponding row. Okay, for column rows corresponding rows. Okay, so here select a column. Okay, but here first column there is no exactly one zero, and here one zero present, but which are already assigned. For second column here exactly one zero, so corresponding row other zeros take cross up sign. Okay, other zeros take cross up sign. Then next is lastly here does not contains exactly one zero, because here two zero are present. Then lastly is here in this column, here we this is a exactly one zero. Okay, so other element take a cross up sign, respective row. In this way our assignment assignment in the opportunity cost table. Okay, but here we number of assignment equal to number of rows or column, then we get optimal solution. But here number of assignment are only 3, 1, 2 and 3, and number of rows are 4. Okay, so number of assignment is not equal to number of rows, therefore we get next step is a 5 step. Okay, so opportunity cost table, if there is no assignment in row which contains, that is total number of assignment are less than number of rows or column, then we get a step 5. Step 5 is a we draw vertical and horizontal line. Okay, so vertical and horizontal line, here we draw vertical and horizontal line. Okay, firstly for each row in which no assignment, that is row which row does not contain square, tick this respective row. Okay, and then again next is examine the marked rows. If any zero element is present in this row, that is zero element means cross up sign, or here we take this matrix as it is in this way. Here first, second, third and fourth, here A, B, C, D. Okay, 0, here assignment 2, 1, 1, then 2, 0, cross up sign 2, then 0, cross up sign, then 1, 4, 3. Okay, and here lastly D, 3, 2, 0, cross up sign and 0. Okay, so here next step is a for each row in which no assignment row is here, without assignment row is here, this is, so take this. Okay, then next step is here third, here row third, row C. Okay, C row we tick row C because which has no assignment, which does not contain any assignment, which does not contains any assignment. Okay, any assignment. Okay, then this is first step. Then next is examine the mark rows. Mark row is, this is our mark rows. So here 0 is present. Okay, so 0 is present in 0, that is 0 is present in cross up sign or cross up sign. Okay, so here 0 is present in first column, so take is. Okay, here is present in respective rows. Okay, so here then next in this way, here B. Okay, examine the mark row. If any 0 element is present in this row, mark a tick to respective columns containing 0. So respective column, tick here 0. Okay, again third condition, here examine the mark columns. Okay, so here column first column contains 0, so mark it by this side. Okay, then next is examine the mark columns. If any assignment 0 is present in this column, any assignment 0 means this 0. Okay, so here A row A row contains assignment zeros. A row contains assigned 0. Okay, therefore tick a respective here, then this column tick the respective row containing assigned 0. Okay, tick a row A. Okay, so row A has tick in this way. Okay, then again next process again select examine the row, this row, then which contains any 0 present, but here there is no any 0 present in respective row, so there is no need to tick for column. Okay, that is, this process is a stop for here, because no more rows or columns can be marked. Okay, then after marking here, draw a straight line through each marked column. Draw a straight line through each marked column and unmarked row. Okay, unmarked row and marked column. Okay, so then next here first, second, third and fourth. Here A, B, C, D. Okay, 0, 2, 1, 1, then 2, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 4, 3, 0, 1, 4, 3. Then here 3, 2, cross of sign, then 0. Okay, so mark rows are third and first. Okay, and mark columns only 1. Okay, in this way. So here draw line for unmarked row and mark column. Okay, mark column is here. Draw straight line in this way. Okay, and mark rows in this way. Okay, sorry, here this is not unmarked rows. Okay, unmarked rows, so draw a straight line in this way. Okay, unmarked rows, that is here tick. These are again here wrong, sorry, here first, second, then third and fourth. Here A, B, C, D. Okay, so put their values 0, 2, 1, 1, then 2, 0, 0, 2. So this row are marked rows. Then third row is also marked rows, 1, 4, 3. These rows are also marked rows. Here assignment 0, here also assignment 0. Okay, then here cross of 0, here also cross of 0. Then third D column 3, 2, cross of 0 in this way. Okay, so unmarked rows are third row, so drawing straight line. Okay, and also fourth row is also unmarked rows. Okay, so draw straight line. Okay, so drawing this straight line. And mark column is here only. Third column are first row column are mark column, so draw straight line in this way. Okay, so here then next step 6. Step 6 is what is step 6? Develop a new reverse opportunity cost matrix. How to develop a new reverse opportunity cost matrix? So among the elements in mark matrix not covered by line, elements are 2, 1, 1, 1, 4, 3 are the only not covered matrix, and select their smallest element. Okay, choose the smallest element, call this value k. Here smallest uncovered element is uncovered element by line is 1. Okay, so these lines does not cover smallest element 1. Okay, so here 1 is the smallest uncovered element, and suppose that call this k equal to 1. Okay, and subtract k from every element in the matrix is not covered by line. Subtract from this element 1 and subtract 1 from uncovered element and add this by intersection of two lines, and add k every element in the matrix covered by the two lines, that is intersection of two lines. Add this by intersection of two lines element. Okay, so here intersection of two lines elements are only here 2 and here 3 are only 2 elements are intersection of lines. Okay, so therefore reduced matrix is reduced matrix is here 0 is covered element, so does not subtract it, and other elements subtract. Okay, so 0 1 0 0. Okay, so here first, second, third and fourth, here A B C D, 0 0 1 0 0. So after subtracting, okay, after subtracting we get a matrix. Then next is intersection of two lines, so add here 1. Okay, 3 0 0 2, 3 0 0 2. Those element which covered by line, take right element, this element as it is, because these elements are covered by line. Okay, elements uncovered only subtract from smallest element. So next row is 0 is covered by elements, then other here subtract 1. Okay, so 0 0 3 2, 0 0 3 2, 0 0 3 2, and then lastly these are covered by elements, but this is the intersection of two lines, so here add 1. Okay, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 4 2 0 0, 4 2 0 0. Okay, this is our reduced matrix. Then repeat the last step 7. Step 7 repeat step 3 to 6. 3 to 6 means construct to make a assignment of cost matrix. So here select exactly 1 0 elements, select exactly 1 0 rows. Okay, so select exactly 1 0 rows. Here any row does not contain exactly 1 0. Then step second here which also does not contain exactly 1 0. So then after this, for this step here second round, we get a second round for making assignment. If row or column has 2 or more unmarked 0 and one cannot be chosen by inspection, then choose the 0 element arbitrarily. Okay, arbitrarily choose the assignment for. Okay, so here number of rows does not contain exactly 1 0, or number of any column does not contain exactly 1 0. So choose arbitrarily any one of the 0. Okay, so choose any arbitrarily one of the 0. Okay, and then repeat step A and B above side. Okay, so here suppose we have to choosing this arbitrary 1 0, make their cross up sign for rows, then respective column make a cross up sign. Okay, then for second row take suppose that here. Okay, arbitrarily 0, then here cross up sign, then does not contains, so column are also does not contain, so here then make a any other 0. Okay, suppose here I am taking square, then respective here what we say here respective columns make a cross up sign. Okay, respective columns make a cross up sign. Okay, in this way. Then next is here exactly 1 0, make any one of these. Okay, so here we will be selecting this, then cross up sign respectively in this way. Okay, and lastly, so here something is wrong, sorry for this assignment. Here reduced matrix is first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so here A B C D, 0 1 0 0, then 3 0 0 2, then 0 0 3 2, and lastly is 4 2 0 0. Okay, here with a number of rows एकही रो आणि कॉलम एक्झॅक्टली 1 0 कंटेन करत नाही, म्हणजे इथे चूज एनी आर्बिटरली 0. ओके, सपोज यू बी चूजिंग दिस आर्बिटरली 0 मेकिंग देअर स्क्वेअर ऑफ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह कॉलम, सपोज दॅट. ओके, रिस्पेक्टिव्ह कॉलम, देन मेक अदर कॉलम्स. सपोज हिअर मी इथे कॉलममधला एक झिरो असाइन केलेला आहे आणि देन त्याचा रिस्पेक्टिव्ह रो मेक बाकीचे झिरो जे आहे त्यासाठी क्रॉस ऑफ साईन. ओके, इन दिस वे देन हिअर एक्झॅक्टली रिमेनिंग 1 झिरो. ओके, सो ह्या कॉलममध्ये एक सिंगल झिरो आहे त्यासाठी असाइन केलं. देन त्याचा रिस्पेक्टिव्ह रो मेक देअर क्रॉस ऑफ साईन. ओके, मेक देअर क्रॉस ऑफ साईन. देन इथे एकच झिरो प्रेझेंट राहिला यासाठी क्रॉस ऑफ साईन. देन त्याचा रिस्पेक्टिव्ह इथे ह्या कॉलममध्ये हा झिरो फक्त एकच प्रेझेंट राहिला, सो त्याच्या रिस्पेक्टिव्ह रोमध्ये बाकीचे झिरोसाठी क्रॉस ऑफ साईन. आणि लास्ट हिअर. Okay, so number of rows and number of assignments are same. These assignments are wrong here. Okay, so here therefore here number of assignment equal to number of rows, and therefore number of assignment equal to number of rows, and therefore optimal solution is obtained. Optimal solution is obtained. Solution is obtained. Therefore total cost equal to, so take their actual cost of here. Actual cost is given that actual cost is here total cost equal to for this 1. Okay, then for this 9. Okay, then here 4. Okay, and lastly here their actual cost is 4. So 980. This is our actual solution of given matrix. Okay, in this way जर इथे तुम्हाला एक्झॅक्टली 1 रो अँड 1 कॉलम रो अँड कॉलम जर रो आणि कॉलम एक्झॅक्टली 1 झिरो कंटेन करत जर नसेल तर कोणताही एक झिरो आर्बिट्ररी सिलेक्ट करायचा रोमधला किंवा कॉलममधला. आणि जर तुम्ही कॉलममधला सिलेक्ट केला तर रोमधले अदर झिरो जे आहे त्यासाठी क्रॉस ऑफ साईन करायचं. अगेन नेक्स्ट सेम प्रोसेस, जर रोचा सिलेक्ट केला तर रिस्पेक्टिव्ह कॉलमच्या झिरोसाठी क्रॉस ऑफ साईन करायचं. इन दिस वे ही प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू अप टू नंबर ऑफ असाइनमेंट इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रो येत नाही तोपर्यंत कंटिन्यू करायची. आणि लास्टली ऑप्टिमल सोल्युशन घेताना त्याची ॲक्च्युअल कॉस्ट टाकायची, क्रॉस ऑफ स्क्वेअर केलेल्या झिरोची ॲक्च्युअल कॉस्ट टाकायची, ती तुमची ऑप्टिमल सोल्युशन झालेलं असेल. ओके.